This tester is for iPhone 6s, 6s Plus, 7G, 7 Plus, 8G, 8 Plus, 6 model in size, can text, touch and 3D and display. This button is for model switch. Model switch change the different models. This button have the different number. And this button is TP switch. Now here LCD is only display. TP is test display and touch and 3D. And this turn on the display and choose the different pictures up and down. This is the power switch and this for charger. This machine have the 6 balls inside. This 8 plus, 8G, 7 plus, 7G, 6S plus, 6S. Like we will test the 7G, put the ball here. Yeah, put inside. And the model switch, choose 7G. That is number 7G. And turn off the power switch again, then turn on again the power switch, and put the 7G LCD put here. That is, we need to text the display and the touch and the 3D.